so annoying. Let's grip it. Get on our knees and pray. Wow, it's a lot of smoke. If I can shatter them. That would be really cool, actually. We could still see the skirt wear. I mean, well, maybe not. I might be causing some. Unless I have to turn that thing to get the others to come out. Yeah, they're pretty resistant, actually. It's probably the rust, actually. The rust at the brim around the edges right here. So, hang on. I'm going to go ahead and look at what goes on here. Oh, gosh. This is segment 4, I guess. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Hang on. I'm gonna set it back up. Oh, but I can't turn it then. Alright, I'm going to see if that works. I'm going to see if that works. Alright, get our grippers back on. Yes! There we go. That must be it. Just a little more. A little more. Allow that grease on your hand. There we go. Much better. Set it on the side. That's the opposite side though. Oh, the opposites have come out. Alright, we're gonna see what the others do. I wonder if the outers have, like something weird going on. There we go. Nope, nothing weird. That was, we'll put that one next to this one. And now, 2 left. We'll see what we can do about that. These two are a pain in the butt. I'm trying so hard to hold it together. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Let's see, I've got a crowbar. I have a crowbar. What else do I have? Oh, hey. I'm going to extend this thing. See if I can get better grip on it. Is that a good idea? Probably not. Am I going to do it? Maybe. And I might get my extension, nope, not gonna fit. Hey guys, if that's not gonna work, then I'm gonna try this, and it's still longer, so hopefully I don't break my main 3/8. Oh, stupid. You get to see stupid in action. What a privilege you guys have. So, half it is. Whatever. Hey, wow, that was crazy. There we go. Just need a little persuasion. With a little less talk and a lot more action. Oh gosh. There we go. Wedge it in, wedge it in, wedge it, wedge it, wedge it, wedge it, wedge it, wedge it. There we go. Much better. Okay, the one I just punched out was that one, and that's right here. Pretty sure. Now, I'm going to take a look at all these. I'm going to turn them around so you guys can see the skirt wear. I'm going to actually wipe them. See what we got here going here a little better. Okay, here we go. Guys, y'all ready? I'm not. All right, guys. That's as good as it's gonna get. Oh my goodness, my back. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Oops. Hope I didn't do anything. Oh, no. I'm just detaching. Detach. There we go. Much better. All right. Skirt wear. This one is closest to the passenger side. It's really not that bad. 280 something thousand miles. I think those darker ones at the top are from me pounding, but I'm not sure. This one's really good. This one's also really good. You know, note the darker ones, which I think are for me again. This one's really good. And this one, I think this one might be the best. This is closest to the transmission, to the driver's side. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And I'm probably, I don't know, I'm thinking about wrapping it up just because I probably don't have much time for the laundry. Nope. I need to wrap it up so I can take a shower and get my clothes over there. Man, this is a lot of fun. It's a shame that I couldn't get the crank pulley off. I know that that's going to take some effort. I might have to watch Robert Spinner's videos on that. Might be just crapped out of luck. Or I might have to use the cutter somehow. Like, that's some thick steel. I'm going to have to have a few blade discs on hand to cut through that. So yeah, just to get the pulley off, because then I can get the that round plate off. So Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. The facts, fun, and antics all in one. So, I'll see you guys next time. And next time we'll probably be doing a test, we'll be doing a test on cutting the a section of the chassis out to have a look at the fitment of the tongue. I want to be able to fit the tongue through along. Hang on, let me move you guys so you guys can see. So, we're going to be doing a test cut right about here. This is where we'd be coming down on the frame to cut off for the wall. So, this over here will be a test cut, because I want to make sure that a 2-inch by 3-inch tubing can go in there, and that's how I'm going to bolt it in. That's my plan anyway. So yeah, it'll go all the way from there to the back, wherever that stops. So yeah. Anyway, guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys learned something. I sure did. And yeah, y'all take care. Have a good night. God bless.